Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write report on a road accident in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First is the title. Here for example I am writing Serious Road Accident on MG Road, Delhi. Next, the name of the reporter. For example, I am writing by Rohan Sharma. Followed by his or her designation. Here, for example, I am writing student reporter, public school. After that, we need to write the date. Here, for example, I am writing March 30, 2025. Then, we will start with the location. Here, for example, I am writing Delhi. A major road accident occurred on March 29, 2025 at around 8:30 am on MG Road near Rajiv Chowk. A speeding truck lost control and crashed into a school van full of students. The impact was tremendous and 5 students were injured while the driver sustained critical injuries. The accident was caused by rash driving on the part of the truck driver, who was reportedly overspeeding and crossed a red signal. Eyewitnesses claimed. The abrupt collision left the pedestrians and commuters in a state of panic. The passengers alerted the police and ambulance authorities, who quickly responded. The injured persons were taken to AIIMS Hospital, where they are still undergoing treatment. The accident led to heavy traffic congestion on MG Road, causing a delay of over an hour. The police have registered a case against the truck driver and further investigations are underway. This unfortunate incident highlights the importance of strict traffic regulations. Authorities have urged drivers to follow speed limits and traffic signals to prevent such mishaps in the future.